Yo, YouTube, back on another video. That black super back on your screen. Even though it's not black no more, it's wicked wine with orange flakes inside, freaky color. So, yo, my job really has been burning me out. Like, I'm only scheduled to work 80 hours every 2 weeks. I do like 110. I'm here today, supposed to be off, but I guess it's better than being in the house. But I'm so tired, it's not even funny. But let's get into the video. You feel me? Alright, so this gonna be like what have I done to the super and what my plans are going to be in the future and all that, or like as we go along. So I got the car October 17th. I think like a week later, I put the shift kit in and changed the fluid and everything. And I changed my oil around the same time. Excuse me. What else have I done? That's really all I have done for real. I got my friend to wrap it for me. And that's really it. I got it wrapped, did a shift kit. I ain't get it tinted yet, but I'm getting it tinted. That's one, I'm getting it tinted. I need a trans cooler. Oh, my fault, I did a muffler delete and added the 4-inch tips. That's really it, I think. Yeah. So, I did the muffler delete and added the shift kit and do the fluid change. I need a trans cooler. I might do a resonator delete. I'm getting it tinted. Drill and slide rotors all the way around. I ordered E3s, spark plugs, and Nutella wires. This is like little regular stuff. I'm gonna wrap my wheels black for the winter just because I don't want the snow to mess them up. The snow and the salt and everything, because you know salt eat that chrome and it sit too long. So I'm gonna wrap them black for the winter. I want to paint my calipers orange, but I gotta go to a tire shop for him to unloosen my lug nuts because they tight, and I broke 2 4-ways trying to get them off. Yeah, that's really pretty it. I want a double din radio and probably add subs in the back. I'm so exhausted, yo. But I want to get this video done. I look, my man T-Baby DMing me now. Hold on. I want to do a resonator delete as well. But then again, I want to order the catless downpipe. So if I do the catless downpipe, a resonator delete, and a muffler delete, that shit is gonna be straight flow. So then me and my mans will talk about the cherry bomb for the resonator. I haven't heard it in person yet, so I might do that. Throw the resonator in there. Yeah. I might want to cam. But if I cam it, that's not gonna be. I can't drive that joint every day if it's cam. Like, yeah. But yeah. E3 sparks and Nutella wires. That's probably my next thing. The brakes and rotors. That should be my next thing. Brakes and rotors. I might get them Jones. Yo, y'all might think I'm high or something, but I'm really not. I'm just so exhausted. Like, and break it down my work schedule for you in this video, right? So Monday, boom. I work Saturday through Tuesday, basically. Monday, I'm supposed to work 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's 12 hours. Alright, cool. Nothing. That's cool. But then it's an open shift on that Monday from 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. I sometimes work from 5 a.m. to 12 a.m. That's 19 hours, bro. 19 off the rip. Just that Monday. I'm only scheduled to work 80 hours every 2 weeks. Boom. That's 19 hours right there. I work that Monday sometimes, right? Tuesday, 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. Alright. No, Tuesday and Wednesday, 5 p.m. to 12 a.m. Cool. Thorough. Alright. I'm off Thursdays and Fridays. Saturday, I work 7 a.m. to 1 p.m. and Sunday, I work 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Yo, y'all might think, oh, it's the lightest shift in the world. Cool. It's supposed to be 3 people. One boy not here no more. I ain't gonna put his business out there, but he not here no more. So, he's scheduled to work 80 hours too. Me and my man had to split his schedule in half, 40 hours apiece. You know, my man did more that he did more the last 2 weeks, but I did 110 hours in the last 2 weeks. He probably did like 130 or no 120 or something like that. Sorry, I'm tired. Then tomorrow, well, I was supposed to be off today. I don't know why I'm putting this in this video, but yeah, I'm supposed to be off. So I came in at 4 to 12 today. Get off at 12. It's 11:51 now. Then gotta be back here at 7 a.m. From 7 a.m. to 12 a.m. Who not gonna be tired, bro? Who not gonna be tired? Like, it's beyond me. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. Resonator delete, add the cherry bomb, Jordan slider rotors, E3, spark plugs, tailor wires, and the transcooler. That's gonna be my winter project. Oh, and I got an oil catch can. So between all my bills and stuff, I might just piece by piece order everything and just get it thrown on. Oh, and I ordered my motor mounts. I'm tripping. Forgot about that. So yeah, that's gonna be what I want to do with the car, where it's going. I added blue LED lights, fogs and low beam. They don't make aftermarket parts for my car. Aftermarket headlights. So if I want some customized headlights, I gotta order them through somebody on Instagram. And he want $4 something for some headlights. Then if I want the little freaky crazy stuff that goes inside of it, it's another $210. So I might just spend like $700 on headlights. Yeah, probably like, well, I can keep looking at this look. My lip is dry. I'm so tired, yo. But yeah, that's it. Y'all heard my car just cut off? Automatic start. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. LS4 build is coming together. Yeah, LS4 build is coming together slowly but surely. I'm gonna get out of this, John. It's 11:53. Might start. Oh, that's a bad John. I might have started packing up and everything. This video probably gonna go. What's today? Friday. I already recorded one. That's tomorrow. This video probably go Sunday. Sunday fun day, baby. Let's get it. I'm out this John. That black super, even though it's not black no more. That's gonna be my intro.